Social Science, Grade 7, Block 6, Kings and Architecture, LP. 3. Inspirations and Influences, LP4. Skills and Techniques by teacher Shikha. Students will be able to understand the influence of different empires in the architecture of different region and the use of materials, skills and styles to build different monuments of India. Keywords: skills, the ability to do something well. Architecture, the art or practice of designing and constructing buildings. Influence, the capacity to have an effect on the character. Region and empire. Mughal architectural style. Qutub Minar. Sharing of ideas to a large extent began with the increase in the construction activity between the 8th and 18th centuries. These led to adoption of traditions of one region by another. Following are some examples. Vijayangada, the elephant stables at this place were strongly influenced by the architectural styles in the adjoining sultanates of Bijapur and Golconda. Vrindavan, here temples were constructed in architectural styles which were very similar to the Mughal palaces of Fatehpur Sikri. So children, when different regions were brought under one large empire, this cross-fertilization of artistic forms and architectural styles took place. The Mughals and architectural style adaptation. They were particularly skilled in adapting architectural styles in their own building construction. For instance, in Bengal, the local rulers had developed a roof that was designed to resemble a thatched roof. This Bangla dome was liked by the Mughals to such an extent that they used it in their architecture. The impact of the regions was also noticeable. Many buildings in Akbar's capital Fatehpur Sikri showed the influence of the architectural styles of Gujarat and Malwa. Qutub Minar is 5 stories high. The first floor was constructed by Qutbuddin Aibak and the rest were constructed by Iltutmish around 1229. It was damaged over the years by lightning and earthquakes. It was repaired by Alauddin Khalji, Muhammad Tughlaq, Firoz Shah Tughlaq and Ibrahim Lodhi. Children, few general informations for you. Do you know Shah Jahan was declared as the architect of the workshop of empire and religion by his chronicler. He also built the Jami Masjid in his new capital, Shahjahanabad. The Agra fort built by Akbar required 2,000 stone cutters, 2,000 cement and lime makers and 8,000 laborers. The Taj Mahal at Agra was completed in 1643. The Persian terms Abad, which means populated, prosperous, and Abadi, which means flourishing, are derived from the word Ab, meaning water. These clearly prove the significance of water during the period. The tomb of Humayun was constructed between 1562 and 1571. The Rajarajeshwara temple at Thanjavur had the tallest shikhara amongst the temples of its time. Churches, the new skyscrapers. There were attempts in France 12th century onwards to build churches that were taller and lighter than earlier buildings. This architectural style, known as Gothic, has the following distinguished features: high pointed arches, use of stained glass often painted with scenes drawn from the Bible, and flying buttresses. The Church of Notre Dame, Paris, is one of the best examples of this architectural style. It was constructed through several decades in the 12th and the 13th centuries. So, children, there were several architectural innovations during Akbar's time. For inspiration, Akbar's architecture turned to the tombs of his Central Asian ancestor. In his autobiography, Babur described his interest in planning and laying out formal gardens placed within rectangular walled enclosures and divided into four quarters by artificial channels. Children, please read your content book and go through your worksheets. In case if there is any problem, we will discuss it during our online sessions. Till then, take care of yourself and your near and dear ones. Thank you. Have a good day.